fixed. What it means? If you go for recharge, 200 rupees it is fixed. Now after that 1.50 rupee will be charged per SMS. Okay. Suppose you are sending one message. So you will be charged 1.50. But 200 rupees you are already paying. Okay. Suppose you are sending two messages, three messages, four messages. So whatever number of messages you are sending, you need to multiply it with 1.5. Okay. And this 200 you are already paying. So here, first question, if you see, it is asking write cost function. So if you say cost is equal to, so you will write here rupees 200 plus 1.5 plus 1.50 SMS. For SMS, suppose we are putting this variable S. Okay. So your equation has become cost is equal to rupees 200 plus 1.5 S. Over here, S is nothing for SMS. Now, for cost, for question B, cost for 80 SMS we need to check. So here, it is going to be cost for 80 SMS is equal to, you can see, rupees 1.5 per SMS. So it is 1.50 multiplied by 80. Okay, so you need to multiply it with this. So here 15, you can ignore, during multiplication you can ignore this decimal point, you can multiply. So here it is, so now we will multiply 1.50 with 80. Okay. So you can write it as 150 upon 100 into 80. What I did, this decimal point which is there, I converted into fraction. If you want, you can do direct multiplication. So you can cancel, the zeros will be cancel. So 15 times 8 is going to give you 120. So cost for SMS is 120 rupee. Now, the last question, if you see in this, is part C. If bill is rupees 350, find the number of SMS. You know that bill or total cost, the way we have put our equation, we can use it. C is equal to 200 plus 1.50 S. Here S for SMS. We need to find out number of SMS. So bill is rupees 350, which is equal to 200 plus 1.50 S. You can write 1.5 in place of 1.50. Okay. So now this is 350. 200 will come on this side and it will get negative sign. So 1.5 S. 350 minus 200 will give you 150, which is equal to 1.5. This 1.5 can be written as 15 upon 10. What did I do here? I just converted this decimal point into its fractional form, and that too improper. Okay. Here, now you know that we will be subjecting S, which is for SMS. You can cancel this, 5 times 3 and 5 times 2. So now this 2 will go and multiply with this. So 150 into 2, and this 3 will come in denominator. So these are the number of SMS. You can cancel this. 3 5s are 15. Okay. So 50 into 2 will make it 100 SMS. Understood? Here we cancel this 150 with 3. You can say 50 times 3 is 150 and 50 into 2 is making it 100 SMS. Okay.